Hi, my name is Zhing and my metric number is 76981. Today I'm going to present my final year project, which is elevating browser-based fitness and exercise gaming through gesture control. So for the introduction, the rise of exergaming or fitness gaming has been accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic as people increasingly sick at home. Workout alternatives. The positive effect extend beyond physical health, encompassing aspects such as coordination, stress reduction, and cognitive skills. However, the current web-based fitness game often lack real-time feedback on user movement and rely on conventional input devices. This project aims to enhance the browser-based fitness game by incorporating gesture control technology. The use of gesture recognition allows for real-time feedback on posture and movement, enhancing workout quality and ensuring accurate guidance. The problem statement for this project is PC lack the necessary hardware for precise motion tracking, making conventional input methods like keyboard and mice insufficient for fitness gaming. Real-time feedback and effective monitoring of form and performance during exercise are challenging with, without precise motion tracking. This application is only available on computer platform with a webcam. It will include the definition and exposure of the good posture and form of the user and is suitable for user to learn this exercise for their fitness. The target audience for this proposed application is every individual who is interested in fitness. The aim and objective of this final year project is to develop a gesture control system in fitness gaming and to control and to measure the user acceptance testing UAT by handling the beta version of the game for measuring the efficiency of fitness gaming. Now we will proceed to brief methodology. The first phase of the project is to develop the application by using Unity app. The agile model will be implemented when doing this project as using the flexible model allow us to make changes during the development of the project. Next, the second phase of the project is to implement a game testing model by measuring user acceptance testing, which is the UAT. The significance of the project is to aim to provide user with fun experience in playing fitness game at a relatively lower cost. Besides that, gesture control fitness game cater to the increasing need for innovative solution that promotes physical activity and combats sedentary lifestyle, which are contributing to health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases, and motivate users to stay active by incorporating gamification element, real-time feedback, and social interaction, thereby increasing exercise adherence. And now this is the project schedule, which is done by Gantt chart. The expected outcome of this project is to build a functional and engaging browser-based fitness and exercise game with intuitive gesture-based control that provide a cheaper and more immersive gaming experience with real-time feedback for players. Next, we will proceed to literature review. The review of existing solution. Three existing games will be analyzed and compared with the proposed app to find out the app features, advantage, disadvantage, ensuring the game developed for this project is better than the existing game. First, we will go to the first app, which is the Ring Fit Adventure. It is a fitness video game for Nintendo Switch. We'll be discussing the feature for it. First, it has a customizable workout, allow players to target specific muscle groups of fitness goal. Adjustable difficulty levels for workout cater to users of varying fitness level. Detailed tracking of exercise duration, calories burned, and progress metric keep user informed. Navigate menus using the ring con and leg strap, which is the hardware for the Nintendo Switch, ensuring an intuitive interface for customization and progress tracking. Next is the other app, which is 7 minute workout. The 7 minute workout is a high intensity interval training (HIIT) regimen that usually consists of 12 exercises done for 30 seconds each with 10 seconds of rest. This app usually uses application on phone or PC devices, and the exercises are assessed and followed by user. The feature is the feature of the app is that it is quick and intense workout to improve cardiovascular fitness and target various muscle group. It has guided workout and exercise demonstration. Personalization option enable users to adjust workout. A well-designed interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate, ensuring a positive user experience. Next is an study for an adaptive exercising system approach for elder fitness using gesture recognition. The features are specifically designed lower extremity movement to enhance skeletal strength, provides instant feedback during exercises. Only one significant object is visible on the screen at once, ensuring a focused and easy to follow experience, and user-friendly interface with a focus on simplicity for senior. Next is the comparison table between existing and proposed application. So we will be comparing a few features. The first one is the real-time guidance. Next is accessibility, workout customization, gamification of fitness, and ease of navigation. Next, I will be presenting the review of tool you are on developing this project. We will be using Unity for the development of fitness gaming. Unity is a well-liked cross-platform game engine and development tool for making video games and other interactive media. Next, we will be using TensorFlow, which is a comprehensive open source machine learning platform. TensorFlow's integration with the Unity environment creates a mutually beneficial relationship by providing a means of dynamic, AI-centered experience in interactive application and games. This combination makes it possible to directly apply machine learning algorithm to Unity project. Next, we will be discussing the critical review based on the feature we have shown on the table. First is the real-time guidance. For the first app, which is the Ring Fit Adventure, it provides real-time guidance through on-screen cues, ensuring user maintain correct form during exercises. 7 minute workout offers visual and auditory cues, but may lack real-time guidance on form. For the system, it incorporates gesture recognition for real-time feedback, assisting elders in maintaining proper exercise form. As for the proposed app, it will incorporate gesture recognition for real-time feedback, ensuring user maintain correct form during exercises. Next is the accessibility. Ring Fit Adventure might be less accessible for individuals with specific mobility concern due to its dynamic nature and plus the specific hardware needed to access the app. Next is 7 minute workout. It tailored for accessibility, providing a quick and effective workout suitable for individuals with varying fitness level and busy schedule. Next is the study for the system, specifically designed for elder fitness, aiming to enhance accessibility through gesture recognition. As for the proposed app, it tailored for accessibility, providing a quick and effective workout. Next is workout customization. Ring Fit Adventure allow user to customize workout, target specific muscle group, and adjust difficulty level. Next is 7-minute workout. Offers workout personalization for user to adjust session to their preference and fitness objective. While the exercising system for additive offers workout personalization for user to adjust session to their preference and fitness objective. Lastly is the proposed app. It offers workout personalization for user to adjust session to their preference and fitness objective and adjust difficulty level. Next is gamification of fitness. For the Ring Fit, it successfully gamified the exercise through an adventure narrative, quest, and in-game challenge. For the 7-minute workout, it may lack extensive gamified element found in adventure-based fitness game. For the system, it does not show any adventure or gamification in the system. As for the proposed app, it will implement gamification in fitness to attract user. Next is the ease of navigation. For the Ring Fit Adventure, it boasts an intuitive navigation system for both in-game exploration and menu access. For the 7-minute workout, it features an intuitive interface for quick navigation through workout and exercise routine. As for the adaptive exercising system, it places a strong focus on usability and for its intuitive and user-friendly design. And lastly, for proposed app, it redefined the exercise experience by utilizing an intuitive interface with a focus on customization and feedback. Now we will proceed to requirement analysis and design. So the first requirement analysis, we will be using UAT, user acceptance testing. User UAT is the final phase of software testing where the software or application is tested in a real-world environment by the end user before it's officially released. UAT main objective is to make sure the software satisfies user need and perform as intended. The target audience of lecturer and student in Unimas who are interested in fitness gaming will be selected to participate in the execution of the testing. Next is we will be using questionnaire, which will be involved in the UAT as a method to gather structured feedback from tester in the post-testing. Specific question about the app's usability, functionality, user interface, performance, and overall user experience can be included in this questionnaire with the use of Google Form. The Google Form will be written in a bilingual language, which is in Bahasa Malay and English, to help the respondent to understand the question. Now we will proceed to use case diagram. So the user will first enter the initialization screen. If the user don't have a display name, it can register a display name. Next, it will proceed to the main menu. In the main menu, it has three options. First is the profile, which can see your achievement. Next is the game setting, which have a tutorial to guide you on how to play the fitness game, and the audio setting, which you can adjust the volume. And lastly is and you can choose the difficulty level, which is to play the game. It has three level: easy, medium, hard. After you have chosen, it will bring you into the gameplay. So uh, any if you have if you don't have any understanding on how to play the game, you can press on the pause screen, which have three options. One is the setting, which will link to the tutorial and the audio, resume the game, and quit the game. After I finish the gameplay, It will extend to the statistic, which will show you your stats on the game. Then you can either choose one option, which is the retry to play the game, or quit to the main menu. Now we will proceed to use case description, which is the actor. So the only actor we have is the user. The user represents individual who access the browser-based fitness and exercise gaming platform. They engage with the platform through gesture control, engaging in various activities and functionalities the system offers. Next is the use case description for brief description. So we have first one is the register. Allow user to register an account by providing a display name. Initialization screen, which is the main page of the page. Main menu. This use case is the screen where the user can start the game, view the profile, and view the setting. Tutorial allow user to have a tutorial on how to play the game. Choose difficulty level allow user to choose a difficulty level based on their fitness level and preference. And gameplay to initiate and enter the game after choosing the difficulty level. Next is pause screen. Allow the user to pause the screen, navigate to the setting, or quit the game. View profile. To enable user to view their profile, which shows the player in-game name and achievement. View setting. This use case enables the user to adjust audio setting and tutorial on exercise instruction. Statistic. Get the statistic after completing the game. Quit. Allow the user to exit the game and back to the main menu. Now I'm going to present the application sequence diagram. In the diagram, there are an actor, which is the user, and four lifeline. First, the user will run the web browser fitness game. Then he will create a display name and it will send to the server. The server will reply back with username successfully created. And in the server, it will send the validation credential to the database and will pass back to the server. Then the web browser will request the game data and it will be sent back. And hence, the web browser will load the game for the user. And next is the view game setting. When the actor click it on the web browser will reply it back by display the setting. Same for the view profile. It will interact with the browser fitness game, and the web browser will database request the database for the user achievement, and it will send back and for the user data as well. Then the web browser will send the display profile for the user to see. Next is choose the difficulty level. The web browser will request the game data from the server and it will return back. And next, and then it will proceed the user for gameplay. Then the web browser will spawn an avatar, which is the main character in the game. And after finishing the game, it will save the statistic of high score and return back it from the database, and hence complete the gameplay. Now I will be presenting the activity diagram. First is the initialization game, and it will register the display name if it doesn't have one. Then it will proceed to the main menu. It has game setting and profile, which view the achievement, and the game setting will show the tutorial and the audio setting. Next, it will choose the difficulty level and it will start the gameplay. Then, after finishing, it will show the statistic and it will ask the user whether to proceed to retry or quit to the main menu. Now I'm going to present the low fidelity user interface design. I will pick a few of the important interface to present. First is the main screen. It will shown as the screen uh, above have shown. You have the start button and the login button. The login button is for the user who does not have the username. And next is the new user screen, which is the for the user to create a display name and press enter. Next is the main menu. There will be three options: the start gameplay, profile, and setting. And finally is the statistic, which show the statistic of the performance of your gameplay. It will show perfect, good, miss, and you can see how well you have done, and you can try to improve based on that. And if you are not satisfied, you can press retry again to restart the game or exit to the main menu. So in conclusion, the proposed app represents a comprehensive and innovative solution to address the lacking in the existing app. Through extensive research and analysis, we have identified key features and functionalities that not only meet user requirements but also offer a unique and user-friendly experience. Thank you.